All right, guys, as you can see right here, payments coming in every single hour, adding up to over $35 an hour. This is gonna be the simplest way to make money online in 2019, drawing lines on your phone. Stay tuned. Roll the goddamn intro. All right, guys, so before we jump into the computer, I'm gonna show you guys this process of exactly how you can start earning money online in 2019. This is probably not a long-term strategy. This is something to help you gain a little bit of money, okay, so you can actually invest into affiliate marketing, stocks, real estate, whatever it is that you want to do. This is one of the best methods I have found online for a newbie with zero skills, absolutely zero skills. If you have a finger,
yeah, I do,
and you can draw on a phone, tablet, or computer, you can make $35 an hour. There's nothing else to say. All right, now we are into the computer, guys. This is the site we're gonna be using to do everything. This site is called clippingmagic.com, okay? So what we're doing is we're actually removing the background off of photos. And as you see here, it's gonna show you an example of this picture. It's gonna take out the actual background and it's gonna keep the main object, all right? That is all we're doing. All right, so now that you have your photo, this is so easy. You're gonna take the green, you're gonna say that is what you wanna keep, that is what you wanna keep, and now you're gonna take your red and you're gonna say, get rid of this, get rid of all this, and get rid of this. Boom. How simple was that?
Really, it's very simple.
I literally just took 10 seconds, draw about 4 lines, and if you look over here, let me move my face. All I did was draw those few lines. Look at our background, okay? Now you'll notice there's still stuff there. That's okay. I'm gonna just take this and draw a little line right here, take out the rest of that, okay? Draw a line right there, take out that, boom. Draw a piece right here, take out that. So you can get super precise, spend a lot of time, going through the little bits of hair right here and taking all that out, fixing this part. But the point is, I just took this 10 seconds, I drew the lines real quick, what I want to keep, how I want to remove it, and people are some of the hardest things to cut out. Now, I literally have a version of the photo that is completely background removed. So now onto the fun part, which is how you're gonna get paid. So now, once you have those skills and you know how to draw the lines, which is stupid simple, you can do it on phone, iPad, you can do it as many times as you want, you're gonna go to a site called Fiverr. Now, when you get here, you're gonna search background removal. There's actually people charging to take the background off of photos. Look at this, $5, $5, $5. These people are charging $5, okay, sometimes more, to remove background photos. As you can see, this person here has over 1,000 jobs completed, okay? $5 times 1,000, they literally made $5,000. I don't know how to make it any simpler than that. This is the best method where you can make $35 an hour literally drawing lines on a cell phone. All you're doing is creating a simple profile. You want to offer your services under background removal, photo editing, things like that. And this is a extremely easy way to make a few hundred extra dollars every single week. This is not a full-time, gonna make you $1 million kind of gig. Once you get that money and you start making some extra income, start investing that into something that will pay you a full-time so you can get to that 6-figure, 7-figure mark. Now, I'm gonna show you current system that I'm using, which is doing that. All right, guys, like I said, that method is great to earn a few hundred extra dollars every single week. This is gonna show you a more long-term solution that you need to do. I'm all about getting that passive income every single month. These kind of little odd jobs are gonna help you get started, but to really solidify yourself, get a business, something that you can grow and actually achieve financial freedom, you're gonna need to do something different. Now, this is me. I was a broke salesperson. I was a freaking Bama. I wasn't doing anything useful. I wasn't contributing to society.
Oh, that's so average.
I was selling cars and I was trying to make money. Just like you guys are doing online with photo clipping, it was not passive. I was actually having to put in hours and time by getting these results. What did I do that changed my life that took me from that to a 6-figure entrepreneur? Being able to take vacations on the beach, being able to meet, Damon John, the $1 billion shark from Shark Tank. If you guys are interested in learning what it is I do to actually create income, I'm gonna drop a lot of screenshots all around here, just small ones showing you $100 a day, $100 a day, $100 a day, $100 a day, $3,000 every month. I'm not a millionaire by any means, but I do have a method to make $3,000 a month on autopilot while I sleep. sleep. Now, if that's something that interests you guys, down below I have my free training. It is a real business that you can actually start. It's gonna open your mind up to a $6.8 billion industry online that is happening every single day. Now, if you guys want access to this, you guys want to partner and link up into my system, what has created wealth in my life, helps me make $3,000 every single month, whether I show up or not, click the first link down below. Get the free training. I literally just give you free training breaking down exactly step by step of what to do, giving you plenty of value. Create that financial freedom, get to take those vacations, get to be on the beach, get to meet influential people, do what it is that you love to do. I don't care, play video games all day and buy a Ferrari. All right, guys, that is everything I have for you today. But if you guys are interested in winning free money, when I hit 100 subscribers, we're doing 2 giveaways. 2 lucky winners are gonna win Amazon gift cards, $10 each. And all you have to do is 3 things. Like this video, shows YouTube you like it, shows me you like it. Comment down below, give me your best comment down below in the comment section, and subscribe and turn on notifications so you're gonna know if you're the winner when we announce it. This is for anybody out there who's interested in passive income. We would love to do these giveaways every 100 subscribers. Until we hit our first 1,000, we're gonna be giving away bigger and bigger prizes. Join the passive income movement with us, guys. Punch that subscribe button, learn to make money online. Thank you guys so much. Andrew Alvey, out!